It's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Ayan, kukunan natin sila. Ayan yung bababa, ayan yung asawa, yung aming Chanila, yung naka wheelchair. Ayun o, yung naka wheelchair. Doon sila bababa sa kabila.
Wow, school.
Dito pala na, iba pala ang lupa nila. Bumili pala silang panibago. Bumili pala ng bagong lupa? Kasi dito yung ano eh. Bumili pala kayo ng ibang lupa?
Oh, hindi, wala na daw kasi po doon.
Oo nga, yung dating lupa, puno na yon.
Kaya dito na sila nakahanap.
Ah,
Puno na doon.
kailan kayo nakabili dito?
It's raining right now. Trust me, it's good.
May payong ba tayong dala, Berpe? Paano tayo pupunta sa tatay mo? Isa lang ang dala mong payong, Early. Nila yung binili mo bang yung binili mong kandila yung may takip?
Hindi mabubuhay, kailangan may takip.
Kasi may dala kung walang takip eh, may bumili rin siya.
Oo nga, yung may takip. Kasi mahangin. Kayo, naulan dyan.
Yeah, come here.
Ano yung tubig?
Sa atin, dito.
Asa akin pala? Hindi, libre yan naman.
Malamig ba yan?
Ay, pa isa kay Dan.
Ah,
Si Dan, iihi ang akin na.
water.
Yes, ano to?
Ah, water.
Si Dan, hinahin yung tubig.
Eh, Ken, magwa-water ka? Ito, water. Teka, bigyan kita. Ah. Open mo sa daddy. Lamig.
May I request the family and all the guests to please occupy all the seats.
Malamig ng hangin. Ano pala, nagdala ko ng jacket, malamig dito.
Natawagan niya na.
Bebek na. Ako ko.
Kagaya nga ng huling dasal ng lola. Panginoon, gabayan mo ang kaluluwa ng lolo Mario. Ngayon lamang po maraming salamat.
Goes on and this song, hear the whisper.
Lord, you are attentive to the voice of our pleading. Let us find comfort in our sadness, certainty in our doubt, and courage to live through this hour. Make our faith strong to the lovely experience from Sir Mario. May the peace of God and the lovely experience from our beloved Sir Mario console us and wipe every tear from our eyes. And blessed is the fruit of your womb, Jesus. Glory be to the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy Spirit. Learn to live with the lost. But Sir Mario will never be far away from our thoughts. His love will always be with his
Last viewing yan, last viewing.